In today's quick video, let's talk about using oats or Avena as an adaptogen. Let's dive in. So you're probably more familiar with using oat as a way to either help manage weight or to really help to reduce cholesterol. And of course, topically, we know it's used to help with rashes as well as things like eczema. But oat also has some adaptogenic-like effects. It's also anti-inflammatory as well. And we often use it in a category called nervine tonics. These types of herbs often help to calm the nervous system and kind of balance nervous system, reducing feelings of anxiety. Now, when we're using oat in this way, we often use it as a tincture, and we generally see dosages of maybe 1 to 3 dropperfuls up to maybe 3 times a day. And this one is generally well tolerated, so you generally will use it in periods of months rather than weeks. But of course, always talk to your healthcare provider before starting any new herb or supplement. Now, how do I use this one? I often use this one in combination with other herbs that are classified as nerve tonics. So generally, I will make for patients in office maybe like a customized tincture. So I'll generally put other nervines in it. So things like passion flower, of course, oat, chamomile, melissa, or lemon balm, and have them take that a couple times during the day when they start to feel a little bit of anxiety. And this will often just to kind of help calm the nerves and promote a feeling of relaxation. All right, I hope that this video was helpful. If you learned something, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. It does help other people find the channel. Be sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you can know when I post a new video next week. And if you have any questions, leave them down below. All right, I'll see you in the next one. Bye.